Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're just going to do a simple program where we're going to join two arrays. So I'm going to create a subroutine, and this is just going to be called simply like join arrays. So we're going to create array 1, and we're going to enter some values into there. Let's say Dave, Bill, Paul. Okay, now we're going to do my array 2. This is going to equal, just give it some numbers, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to create this my scalar joined arrays, and we're going to assign it to, say, array 1 and array 2. Okay, and now we're going to print the arrays, and that's going to be the new one, joined arrays, and a new line there. Okay, let's call the subroutine. Join arrays. We'll run that. There we go, we've joined the arrays together. So we've got Dave, Bill, Paul, 1, 2, 3. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and hope it's been helpful, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.